Hi, Nancy. I'm just going to take you through the whole process again, and I'll answer your question about how to get started once I remind you where everything is. So to log in to your WebEx account, you go to insidefrontrange.edu. It's taking me directly in because I've already been logged in today. Scroll down to Tools. Oops, not Webmail, wrong one, sorry. Scroll down to Tools, WebEx. And it's probably going to have me log in. Now, you shouldn't have to do this each time. You should only have to do this once and then copy your personal meeting room link. But I'm taking you through the whole process just in case you need the reminder, since you said you needed help with it. Okay, so it's going to ask me to log in, just like you would have to do. So one reason you might need to re-access this several times, and so I'm glad that I've shown you how to log in again, is if you're going to record, all your recordings will be here. Okay, so once you're in and your homepage, WebEx homepage loads. So here are all the links to the recordings I made during the week of the 16th when we had the synchronous trainings. Okay, but all you need to start a WebEx with your students is this. This is your personal meeting room. So if you copy it and then you log into D2L, this is what I did with my English class. You copy that link one time, you can just click on that link each time. So let me show you what I've done. First of all, I give my students reminders about online office hours and class sessions using the link you saw me just copy, and then they're on content. So these are the quick links that I do, which I can't do until I go to content. So I've copied that link. I'll prove it to you in a second. And this is where I give it to them. So the link, I provide links under my syllabus for WebEx online office hours here. I'm sorry, this is, need to change my title there. I didn't update that. Saturday morning sessions, online office hours, both with the same link. If I want to edit the link, I can edit my title, I can edit the link, but this is the same link that I copied. I'm going to go ahead and do a Control V. Ooh, no, it copied something else that I don't want. Hold on. I'm going to cancel. So nothing changes. I must have copied something here. If I hit copy here, it should just give me my link. Let's do a Word document to see. Yeah, so what it's doing is it's copying in, you can see when I did the paste here, that it's copying in my personal meeting room, which is that Wheeler 35. I don't need that part of it. I'm going to click on it to see if it works. I think I have to control click. Hold on. Yeah, so that's my personal meeting room, and you see that it's giving me an access to start the meeting. So I don't have to log in. Like with that link, it just takes you directly to the meeting room. So my point in showing you the D2L part is that once you get that personal meeting room in here, if I edit the link, I can show you it's that same one ending in 35. Once I get it in there, I can then, so I'm going to cancel because I'm not going to change it. I don't want to get on all that meeting information. Once I have it in content, which that's where it is, I can then do the quick links to those meetings to my students. So they just have to click here. So I'll show you. And then you could also just click here. If I do online office hours, it's going to take me to this page in D2L. If I open a new window, it's going to start the meeting. Okay, so you see that it's loading. And then once I start meeting, it will start. I'm not starting a meeting right now, so I'm just going to cancel out of that. So hopefully that helps. So my point is you only need this link here, which you have to get when you log in to WebEx through inside frontrange.edu. That's our intranet. But once you have that link, you won't have to log in here again unless you need to go to recordings. Okay, so hopefully that's helpful. I hope you're doing well. I'm doing okay. You know, it's stressful working from home and I can't get enough done during the day because of interruptions and just mental health, wellness. Like it's just stressful and anxiety ridden and stuff. But I hope you're doing okay. And maybe we can chat on the phone some night just to kind of vent with one another a little bit. Maybe that would be helpful to both of us. Take care. Okay. Bye.